Hello everyone, welcome back to How to Shoot, and today we will be talking about the Panasonic Leica Lumix 9mm f1.7 spherical lens. This 9mm offers a more compact, lightweight and faster ultra-wide angle option for the micro four third users. The optical construction is 12 elements in 9 groups, including 2 spherical elements to reduce spherical aberrations and distortions, 2 extra low dispersion and 1 ultra-high refractive index elements to minimize chromatic aberration. Weighing only at 130 grams, although seems to be a new favorite among the still photographers, it has also benefited travel vloggers as well as videographers, especially with their near-silent autofocus performance and the improved internal focus design that suppress focus bleeding. With its half macro design, it offers users an excellent choice from photographing or filming close-up, detail shots to wide scenic shots. The 9mm Panasonic Leica Lumix works like a charm as well when it is used in low light condition with its constant f1.7 aperture. Well, in conclusion, we will say this here is an all-purpose ultra-wide angle lens for still photography, vloggers and videographers. And if you are searching for one, we hope today's video helps you in making your decision. We will see you in the next episode.